Hello candy queens, welcome back. Yes honey, in today's episode I have another one of these awesome nail tutorials for you guys. Yes honey, ball on a budget, period. Okay sis, period. Look at these nails, hideous y'all. Look, they all chipped up, they need to be filed down and dusted off. But that's okay honey, let me show y'all how I can transform these nails and ball on a budget all year honey. Yes honey, they are beat, they are disgusting. Look at these nails. I'm like, look at that. I mean, it's just so chipped up. Y'all know how it gets like in the middle of the week, especially with all the dishwashing and all of the showers and baths and all of those things, the house chores honey. These nails they need reviving. So yes honey, today I'm going to show you guys how I ball on a budget, period. Okay sis, always balling on a budget around here. Let me show y'all. I'm going to transform these to these. Look at that, how pretty. Oh yes, don't worry about this right here y'all. I don't know how we managed to damage the packaging like that, but anyway, these are my Salon Perfect Luxe nail sets. Look at that, how pretty. And guess what y'all, let me get a close-up so you guys see the color on it. There it is. Pretty, 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 pretty. Yes honey, $5. Okay, $5. Yes honey, $5. Okay, you can't beat it, right? You know what I'm saying? We're gonna be on deck, period. We're gonna have Salon Perfect nails in no time. Watch and learn. So yes honey, stay tuned so you can see the transformation, okay? Because I'm always trying to give you guys some tips and tools on how to stay budget friendly, okay? Just because we're saving coins doesn't mean we can't stay pretty. Why not, you know? Okay, here we go honey, ball on a budget nails, $5 all day long. And yes, I got these from Five and Below. We have a local Five and Below, and these were some of the cute nails that they had in stock. So I'm sure you guys can find some online. I've seen them online for maybe $6 or $7. I'll be sure to put a link in the description just in case if you guys want to purchase them. But yes honey, $5. Yes, we're gonna be in there. All right, so let's get started. And one of the cool things that I like about this is the fact that it already comes with the glue. It's like a one and done. See, $5 honey, you got your file, you got your glue, and you have all of the nails that you need. You can't beat that, okay? For $5, no, you can't beat that. You go into the salon or the nail salon, you know this is every bit of probably what, $50 at least, especially with the little diamonds that you got on there. Yeah. Anyway, to each his own. I prefer these anyway, regardless of how cheap they are. I prefer these on a normal day only because I'm not a nail girl, or I'm not the person to go to the nail salon like every 2 weeks. It's just it's unnecessary, honestly. Unnecessary spending, you know. We gotta save these coins honey. Yes, and by all means, especially if you got girls, a couple of girls, yes honey, you gotta ball on a budget. You know, you gotta do what you gotta do. And these things right here, these simple fixes, yes, are made for girls like me and you. Yes honey, me and you, okay? So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and set out my set. Of course, you know, get them matched up to perfection. Oh, even though I said that it does come with your own glue, I did bring aside my own glue, the Kiss glue, because to me it works really well. I love the way that this works, so I'm definitely gonna be using that as well. Okay. For both fingers. There we go. Both sets already ready. These are my extra ones, so we'll just leave them to the side, of course. And we'll work on removing this fingernail polish. This old, dusty, cracked up white out. Yeah, it looks like white out, right? I know. Disgusting. But it's so pretty. Like, it's like the perfect summertime color. Like, I usually try to stay with this color a lot in the summertime. It's so pretty, especially on toes, y'all. Bye. Okay, so now that we got all of the fingernail polish off, it's time to go rinse them and get them all filed down and get them ready for application. Yes, honey. So be right back. I'm gonna go wash, put on a little lotion, and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back, and now I've cleaned up my hands or whatnot, and I am ready to do some cutting and trimming and all that good stuff. Okay, let's see. So yeah, just bear with me while I cut. You know, trim them down just to my liking, and you trim yours down to your liking, of course. Not really much to cut, but I'm just gonna cut them down a little lower. I like to cut them down because a lot of times when I'm taking them off, sometimes I take off nail with it. So this helps me, you know, in the process of taking the nails off if they don't fall off anyway. Okay, so yes, I have my little cuticle pusher. I did purchase this little kit from Walmart. It's 97 cents. Yes, and it came with like the little baby clippers here and the little cuticle pusher, and as you can see, a couple of other items, or essentials should I say. 97 cents, y'all. Again, balling on a budget, period. Alright, so yes, I'm just gonna push my cuticles back a little, kind of get them ready for the nail preparation. I wish I had some cuticle softener, but I don't, y'all, so I'm sorry. Yes, so that is on my list, so don't chew me, don't roast me, okay? I know I gotta eat some. Okay. So now we're just going to file down the nails again. Just file it down. Not too much, just a little bit so that the glue can have something to adhere to, okay? You know, I just kind of want to make like a rough surface, basically. That's all you're doing. And alongside with this, when you're doing it, you can push back your cuticle as well. So that's the fun, cool part about having a nail file as well. So alright, so yes, honey, we are ready. Let's go ahead and get to applying those nails. I try my best to remember not to start with the thumbs. Always work your way down. Basically, let the thumbs be the last ones that you actually apply the nail to, because it can get technical. It can get difficult with the application anyway. So basically, yes, this Kiss nail glue is perfect. I love how it goes on like a nail polish, right? Like you just brush it on like a nail polish. And I like to do it on both the nail and my nail bed. And then we slide it on there. Hold it down firmly. Press it for a couple seconds. But not least, let's put our thumbsies on. All right, yes, honey, and there you have it. Look at that, how cute. Look at these babies, so cute. It's so fun, they're so cute. Yes, honey. Yes, honey, and we have done it again. Okay, period, sis. Period. Okay, yes, balling on a budget. Okay, and you know what else is really cool about these budget nails? You could do them at home, of course. You do them in like 5-10 minutes, you know, 15 minutes at the most. I mean, and that's really quick, really easy, really simple, and it saves you coins, honey. Not only does it save you coins from going into the store, but it also saves you money in your car, girl. Honey, you ain't got to spend no gas money. You ain't got to worry about getting out. You ain't got to worry about getting dressed, period. You just already at home, you know, just in the comfort of your own home, and you making it do what it do. It's just glamorous, period. Okay, yes, honey, they are so freaking cute. I just love them, y'all. Look at the little details on them. Look at that. Can you see that? The little stripe, and then all the cute little diamonds. They are so freaking cute. I love them. Yes, honey, I am extremely happy with them. I always do my own little DIY nails. So yes, just thought I'd come and give you guys a quick little rundown on some new nails that I purchased, and I hope you guys like them because I love them, as you can see, honey. Yes, I love them. Okay, I love them. Thank you. Nah, I'm just being silly. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. And yes, honey, yes, queen, go and get you some of these. Okay, yes, some quick $5 press on Luxe Salon Perfect nails. Okay, honey, don't let nobody try to sway you. Okay, don't let nobody try to tell you you ain't glamorous. Don't let nobody try to tell you you ain't popping. Period, sis. You popping. Okay, period. And you popping on a budget, and you popping with money in your purse, and you popping with them coins in your pocket, just like that. Thank you guys. I love you so much, and I can't wait to see you guys back. Bye bye.